If you are like me and you enjoy a nice, crispy, crunchy, golden brown piece of fried chicken, stay tuned to the video, and I'm going to show you how to achieve this from the comfort of your own home with some secret ingredients. And I'll also be exposing a secret that your grandma or your mama probably never told you about, baby. Stay tuned. The first step to frying chicken is starting off with clean chicken, of course, and I have already done so off camera. I like to soak my chicken wings in water and vinegar for about 30 minutes, and then I rinse them off really well, and then I just get the seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that process. We have some garlic powder, some seasoning salt, and I don't do measurements. I just season until it feels right, I guess. I don't know. This is poultry seasoning, and then black pepper, and then I also like to go in with hot sauce. I don't really have a preference of hot sauce. I have some Louisiana hot sauce right here, and then this is Crystal hot sauce, but I just have a little bit left in there, so we just go ahead and use all of that and a little bit more. If you don't like spicy food, that's fine. The hot sauce doesn't make it hot because I personally don't like hot stuff. It just gives it flavor. And then mustard. Just a couple of squirts. And what the mustard does is it helps the chicken fry golden, like have a golden color when it's done. Oh, I'm getting mustard everywhere. All right, and the secret, this right here is gonna be the star to your fried chicken. This is cornstarch, and I add it to when I'm seasoning. This is when I like to add it, and that's all I add. Just a little sprinkle. That's it. Because if it helps your chicken get crunchy, but if you add too much, it will be too crunchy. So then I just like to mix it all up, get it nice and evenly coated, and then I'm gonna cover this with some plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, and this is what the chicken is looking like. Got my oil here heating up. I got my flour. This is probably a cup of flour. All I'm going to do is add some paprika in here. And you know, paprika doesn't have a flavor. It's just more so for color. And then a pack of Sazon. Uh-oh. Mix that up. And then get our chicken in here, get it coated. And by that time, the oil should be nice and hot and ready for the chicken. All right, so this is what the chicken is looking like. The coating has stuck. We're just gonna take a little bit of flour out of here and test our oil, and that is nice and ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping chicken.
Drop in chicken.
Drop in the chicken.
Yeah, you like mommy. Mommy, you funny.
You funny. And I don't wanna overcrowd the pot because I don't want the oil to drop in temperature. So I'll probably just add like 10 at a time because these are small chicken wings, but we like the small chicken. We don't like the big chicken, right? We like the small chicken. All right, so that's what that's looking like. I'm gonna let these fry for probably 3 or 4 minutes, and then they should be good. All right, guys, so here is the chicken. And earlier I lied when I said 3 to 4 minutes. It actually was about 10 minutes, but this is what the chicken is looking like. nice and golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the grease and get another batch in. Right, so we're going in with the second batch, and I'm gonna try to get all of them in.
Ooh, this chicken is good, Mama.
Thank you, baby. This who couldn't wait to get a piece of chicken because it was smelling too good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Did you give it thumbs up or a thumbs down? Alright, this is the last batch and they're about done. They probably got a minute or two left on them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my oil off so that it can start cooling down because these will be ready to go in just a minute. Alright guys, this is the final result of the chicken and they are nice and crispy and delicious. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you try my recipe, leave me a comment down below and let me know how your chicken turned out. We are about to go ahead and sit down and eat dinner, and I will catch you all in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.